back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing my highly requested room tour video, and you guys have been asking me to do this for such a long time, and my room is finally ready just the way I want it, so I can show you guys and do a full-on tour. And today's video is actually very special because, are you ready? Today's video is sponsored by Lowell, and Lowell is a memory foam mattress company, and I'm very excited to work with them. So my mattress just got delivered to me actually the other day, and I vlogged the whole unboxing process when the mattress got here, a little review for you guys. So before we get into the room tour, I'm going to show you guys that vlog. So let's get into that. Okay guys, this is so exciting. I was not expecting my mattress to come this soon, but it just got here. We're whipping out the vlog camera. It's happening right now. Let's bring this bad boy in. Where are you? Come on. All right, here she is. Woo! A whole mattress just got delivered to my house. Here, E, help me, help me. Ethan's gonna help me bring it in. Okay, let's do this. Expecting it to get here right now. I still have my old mattress on my bed, so we're gonna have to take her off, and then we'll open this guy up. I'm so excited. Let's get this thing open. Imagine just pops out. It just like
oh yeah, that's actually
Alright, ready? Watch and learn. Alright. Fits like a glove. Ready guys? This is the fun part.
It got all fat. That's so cool. That's so sick. I didn't know it'd expand that fast though. Like I thought it would take some time.
Ready?
Is it comfy? Yes. Oh, it is comfy. It smells nice.
What do you think?
I like it. It was easy to install.
What was that, like 5 minutes? And I already have a whole mattress, a whole new mattress on my bed. This is so comfy. It's so comfy.
I know.
Alright, now it's time to dress her up, put the comforter on, all that good stuff. And yeah, let's do it, let's do it. I'm excited, I'm excited, I'm excited. Well, my bed is all made. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. I was not expecting to have this up today. Now it is time to get all comfy and cozy. There's a couple things I want to tell you guys about Lowell, just so you guys get a better understanding about them. Number one, as you guys saw already, shipping was super fast, and they also have free shipping, which is amazing. Going along with that, they also have a 100-night free trial, so you can sleep on this mattress for 100 nights, and if you don't like it, then you can return it, and they also have free returns. So the most exciting part, if you guys want a Lowell mattress just like me, then you can use the link in my description and get $150 off your Lowell mattress, and that is so exciting. We could be twins, both sleeping in our Lowell mattresses. And yeah, I cannot stress this enough, you guys. This mattress is so comfortable. I have never had a memory foam mattress before. My other one was like a box spring, which was not very comfortable, so this is definitely an upgrade. I'm just so excited to sleep in this tonight. I am going to vlog in the morning and just let you guys know how my first night's sleep on this mattress was. So good night, see you in the morning. Oh my gosh, you guys, this bed is so comfortable. Like, I literally, oh my gosh, I'm falling back asleep. Sometimes I have trouble sleeping and I'll like wake up in the middle of the night. But last night, like I slept through the whole night and it was so nice. 10 out of 10. I'm going back to sleep. Back to the main video. And we're back. So I just want to thank Lowell again for sponsoring today's video. And now it's time for the room tour. Alright, first things first, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm so excited to do this. This is my door, and I got a hook on my door, a command strip hook. This is some very exciting stuff here, people, okay? I got these from Target. It was like $2. Okay, so over here I have my wall plants, and I got these from Target. You guys will probably see a recurring theme, because most of my things are from Target. And the little plants inside are from Hobby Lobby, and they're like $2 or $3 each, right, Mom?
$3.99.
My mom bought them for me. Thank you, Mom, and they match my room. And they're fake.
You cannot kill them.
You can't kill them. So it's like foolproof. They're fake, so you don't have to water them. All you have to do is just look in there and look pretty.
Dust them once in a while.
Yeah, maybe do that. Moving over here, I have my closet. And before, I had these like really ugly closet doors on here, and they were just not cute. So we took them down and put curtains up, and I like this way more. Curtains and curtain rod are both from Target, once again. The inside is not cute. I don't know if I really want to show you. I'll show you. Ta-da! So, I mean, it's just a closet. I just got my clothes, my shoes, my hampers in there. So I have like dresses here. I have jeans, pants here, jackets here, and like hoodies over here. Up here I have shoe boxes, all my candles, miscellaneous things. Oh, here I have my ASMR mic. Ooh. Tickles, all the tickles. We love the tickles. And that's that. Yeah, that's it. Pretty exciting stuff. Now, moving on to probably my favorite part of the room. This is my vanity. You guys have seen this before. It's basic. It's a basic vanity. Everyone gets the ones from IKEA. The drawers and the top is from IKEA, and then my dad built these lights for me, and I love them. Like, look at that. It's perfect. It looks like someone bought this at a store. Love you, Dad. And then the chair, I think the chair's from Marshall's.
Marshalls.
Okay. Marshalls. We love Marshalls. We love a good deal. Here I have a brush holder that I got from Target. I'm not even sure if it's a brush holder. I found it in like the bathroom section at Target. Yeah, I just thought it would be perfect to put my brushes in here. So I have face brushes, eyeshadow brushes, I have Q-tips, cotton ovals. Shout out to Lauren for telling me about cotton ovals. You're never gonna want to use cotton pads ever again. I mean, they're cotton pads, but like oval shape. You know what I mean?
I love them.
Me too. So then I have my jade roller right here, love her, and then all my like scrunchies, bobby pins, hair stuff in there. Pencils, this cup is also from Target, I'm pretty sure. So moving over here, I have my little bedside basket, and I love this thing. It has everything you need for the nighttime. I got this basket from Target, and inside I have a bunch of like stuff that's supposed to help you sleep. These like sleeping gummies, lotion, pillow mist. If you wake up in the middle of the night and you start your period, got some Motrin, vapor rub, we got 2 types of chapstick, my contacts, saline solution, my little oil is supposed to help you like relax, and hand sanitizer. Everything you need. And then here I have my women's vitamins. Take your vitamins, everyone. Here I have my trash can. It's from Target. It just looks like that. Nothing special. Over here I have my Vine that I got from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby's great because they always have coupons. Okay. This is tiring. I've never done one of these before. This is a lot for me, okay? What should I talk about first? Here's my bed. I got her from IKEA. She's pretty basic, but we love her. My comforter is from Marshall's, and we got such a good deal on this. It was $40, and it literally looks like one of those comforters that you get at Urban Outfitters, and it's super comfortable, and it also came with those 2 pillowcases and that little pillow. That's a good deal if I've ever seen one. And then I also got this pillow and that blanket from Target. Do you see a theme here? I really wanted to make my room like white, black, green, and like baby pink. I don't know why. I just feel like that's like super pretty. So those are like the colors I went with. And also like gray to just have like one different color to kind of like even it out so it's not just those 4 colors. Over here I have these shelves from IKEA, and they were on sale, $6 each. We got these little plants from Big Lots. And then I just have a little frame, a candle. That candle's actually a Twisted Peppermint one from Bath & Body Works, but I took off the sticker, so like, because it's pink and it'll match everything. Hacks. I have my book, Yes Please, by Amy Poehler. Good book. Now, moving over here, I have this quote up on the wall. It says, "Do what you love, love what you do." And I actually saw this on Claudia Sulewski's apartment tour, and it really stuck out to me. I really liked how simple it was, and it's kind of like breathy. It kind of pops out from the wall a little bit. She got hers on Umbra, but I found this one on Amazon. It's the same exact thing. Like on Amazon, it says it's from Umbra too. But on Amazon, if you have Prime, you don't have to pay for like tax or shipping and all that. So you get a pretty good deal. Over here I have all my film pictures. I just put these up with like double-sided. They're not tape. It was like, I don't know when to explain it, but it was double-sided something. And I just put one on each side, and they look pretty good. I don't know how I came up with that pattern. I just started putting them up, and this is what happened. Over here I have this little frame that I got, and this wall art. I got this from Decenio. I was looking on Decenio and Society6 for like different wall art, different like sayings that I liked, and this one really stuck out to me. It says, "Your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change." And I really like that because, like you guys know, I'm all about like positivity and thinking like positive thoughts. Your life will like change for the better. So I just thought it was pretty fitting, and I put it right here, so when you walk in, this is like the first thing that you see. Down here I have this little basket that I got from Target with the blanket that I got from Target as well. Over here is probably like my second favorite part of the room besides my vanity. This mirror is from IKEA, and you guys have probably seen this in like a bunch of different apartment tours or room tours. A lot of people have this freaking mirror because it is gorgeous. It's huge and it's perfect for OOTD pics. The funny thing about this, the moment I found it in the as-is section at IKEA, if you have never been in the as-is section, I definitely suggest going. It's like right next to like the checkout area. This mirror is originally $130, and we found it in there for $70. It was only in there because like the plastic was like opened a little bit, but as you can see, like, it's perfectly fine. I'll pull this out for you guys. I have this like vase thing my mom got at the outlet store, and then these little, I don't even know what you call them. We got them at IKEA as well. I don't really know what this is, but I thought it like added something a little bit different. Now moving on to my dresser. This dresser I got from IKEA as well. I actually built it myself, thank you very much. Just saying, she's kind of a handyman. Now in here I have all my shirts, tank tops, tube tops, long sleeves. Here I have lots of sweats. All my jeans are in my closet, but like all my sweats and like shorts and stuff are in here. In here I have all my camera equipment, my ring light, all of that. I got undies and socks, all that stuff. Here I have all my workout clothes and bathing suits. And then here I have like pajama clothes, random stuff that doesn't really like belong anywhere else. This basket is from Target. Inside I have this word letterboard. It says subscribe at Lindsay So if you're not subscribed already, subscribe. I didn't say it. The sign said it. And I got this from Joann's. Here I have some Febreze to make it smell nice. Love that. And then I have another like of those little lamps from Big Lots. Here I have my Himalayan salt lamp, and I freaking love this thing. It's supposed to help like clear the vibes, give good vibes, help you sleep and all that. I mean, I think it works. I like it. Next to that I have my Amazon Alexa, and this is my, she heard me. This is my girl. I love her. She wakes me up in the morning. She tells me what time it is. She plays rain sounds for me to go to sleep. She plays my podcasts. Everything you want in a woman. She's amazing. Love her. Next to that I have my oil diffuser, and I got this one off of Amazon. If you guys didn't know this already, I love oils, all different types of oils. And the one thing I really like about this one is that it lights up. So like I could change the colors on it and everything. I like to keep it on red because red is supposed to help you sleep and like relax you and all that. Next to that I have my basket. In here I have my lint roller, I have my perfume and my deodorant, just so you know you can freshen up before you leave, before you go. I have my Amazon Fire remote. I don't have my DirecTV or like cable set up to my TV. I just have my Amazon Fire thing where I watch YouTube videos and Netflix and all that. I have extra oils in here. And then like when I come in my room, I'll put my keys in here as well. Down here I have some slides. I always keep slides by my door, so like I could just throw them on if I'm leaving. Here I have my wall hooks that my lovely dad hung for me. These are from Target, and then I just have my backpack, my favorite purse hung up here, and then I also have my backpack. And I think that is pretty much it. Lastly, I have my light from Lowe's, and I really like it because it's like different. I don't know, it's not like normal lights that I've seen, so like a ceiling fan or anything like that. It's pretty cool if you ask me. So that is pretty much it for my room tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. I just want to say a huge thanks again to Lowell for sponsoring today's video. Like I said before, if you guys want a Lowell mattress just like me, you can click the link in the description down below and get $150 off of your Lowell mattress. And I just want to thank you guys again for watching today's video. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Met this girl down by the vine, had long tan legs and big brown eyes.
Her apartment tour actually, and I really liked what it says. It says do what you love what you do, and that really like stood out to me, and that's why I bought it. So she got it from Umbra, but I found this one on Amazon, which is like, it was like straight $30 if you have Amazon.
I'm in the mirror.
You're in the mirror?
Yeah. Sorry.